Since 1973, Whitman-Walker has been rooted in community. We've long strived to create a safe space where members of the Washington, D.C. community can be themselves without fear, judgment, or retribution. As one of D.C.'s leading clinics for behavioral, dental, medical, HIV treatment and prevention, and gender-affirming care, we are one of the city's most trusted partners during times of crisis, COVID, and beyond. At Whitman-Walker, we see you, we hear you, we need you, and we're one of you. We saw you in 1973 when we first formed as the Gay Men's VD Clinic, housed in the basement of Georgetown Lutheran Church. We saw you in 1983 when we received the first contracts from the District of Columbia to provide AIDS services. We heard you in 1986 when we started what is today the longest-running legal medical partnership in the country. We walked with you in 1987 at the first AIDS Walk Washington, and later that year, a research program joining the first clinical trials for AIDS. We saw you in 1993 when we first opened the Max Robinson Center in Anacostia and the Elizabeth Taylor Medical Center on 14th Street. We heard you in 2013 when we expanded women's health with greater support for lesbians and queer women affected by cancer. We opened 2 state-of-the-art healthcare facilities with 1525 in 2015 and Liz in 2019 to serve community better in spaces that feel respectful and affirming. And in 2023, 50 years later, we see you at the new Max Robinson Center that will allow us to provide the same personalized and affirming care to an additional 10,000 patients per year. For 50 years, we've advocated for more than just health. We see the whole person, and we're with you every day, fighting for social justice and health equity, providing legal services, insurance support, and workplace training, championing LGBTQ inclusive care, advocacy, research, and education. We are rooted in policy change and striving for a better future. At Whitman-Walker, we are rooted in the health of all of the incredible people that have become our family. We wouldn't be here without your support. Whitman-Walker is rooted in you. Whitman-Walker, rooted in community.